everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to update Snapchat application in Android. So for that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, on the search bar, you need to type in Snapchat. Then tap on search. There's the Snapchat application on the top search result. Here you can see the option of update Snapchat instead of open. That means this Snapchat application is available in the new version. Now you tap on update and that will get updated in your mobile device. That is, the Snapchat will get updated and downloaded. Now you can see the update icon has been changed to open. So this is how you can update a Snapchat application in Android by going to the Google Play Store. Hope this video was useful on how to update Snapchat. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.